So who's our winner for today, folks? But we have this really hard to express from this guy, these guys. Right, who's gonna like the most? We have our vote board, so we can guess which people voted the most. And of course, our people's coming. So, of course, our vote board is right there. And no one didn't vote it yet, so I got the pictures on Silent Fan videos on YouTube. There's the thing I did. It's absolutely flashing of white. So we have Simon Super Rabbit, Socks the Cat. Let's go. Right here where it says your videos. We have I don't know. We have Five Nights at Freddy's, Cuphead. We are. I said we yuck. Means that I'm not. It's yucky, but it smells yuck. We have Exploded the Cat right here that I used for 1 million days. Peter Cat. Yes. We've got, and somewhere else, another thing that says, we have another Socks the Cat picture, but that was in the year 0. I didn't mean it was it. We have Flippy. Purple Pink from Pepper Town. Not talking about Pepper Town if you're still replaced on Pepper Town way, but we're not in the city Pepper Town. We're just absolutely in our same city we live. Smarty Ants, and of course we have Huggy Wuggy. So who voted the most for Socks the Cat? Right. Did people love Socks the Cat? Yes. That was easy. How many people did love Socks the Cat? Tell me the truth. Boy, don't lie to me. Tell me the truth. 8. Oh, that's right. 8 people loved Socks the Cat. Who loves... Oh, what? Who loves... I'm not talking about this. Who loves Simon Super Rabbit? Do you love Simon Super Rabbit, right, guys? More or less. How many people that love Simon Super Rabbit? 0. Wait, you're grounded. And no more iPad for the rest of your life, and neither this one. You're going out of my room. You're going to time out. Right. Except for one thing, folks. How many people loved Pepper Town? Nope. How many people... Did you guys love Pepper Town? No. Wait. How many people love Pepper Town? 0. That's right. You got it. That's easy. Alright. We're getting that. How many people did love Happy Tree Friends? Nope. Sorry. Did you love Happy Tree Friends, guys? No. Right. Tell me the truth. Why do you don't love Happy Tree Friends? Because Flippy can become scared. That's right. That's right. But how many people did love Happy Tree Friends? 0. You got that in a box. It was so easy. This was really easy for people to tell me what I did. How many people did love? Oh, sorry. Do you love Excited the Cat, guys? Yes, but I'm just afraid that Excited the Cat is gonna go back. No worries, that's fine. We are gonna still do it. How many people did love Excited the Cat? 2. Well, it's not 2. You're going to time out just like the other guy. You're going. Right, the answer is 2. Yes! No, not 2. 3. I was kidding. Was just kidding. Sorry. Sorry, I was just kidding. But I just chattering of what I hate. But this is fine. How many people loved Puppy Playtime? 0. Do you like Puppy Playtime, guys? No. No. That's what I did. But here, let's continue. Yes. How many people like graphic novels? 1 million. Do you love graphic novels? Yes. But of course, we have one more channel. We're missing on challenges. Where'd your be? How many people loved? No. Not the old one. Just the new one. Not the old one. But we already did Socks the Cat. We are not going to do that again. Because, of course, we're missing someone else. Not in photos. Let's go back to YouTube. And of course, you're going to have to do this on a box. Because how many people... I'm not talking... sorry. Because we're missing something. How many people loved Pac-Man? 45. 45? That's a lot of people. Did you love Pac-Man? Yes. But, of course, but just kidding. The 8 is the only, but, oh, how many, oops, it was, the old socks got 8 and the new one got 8 and more. How many people voted for the new socks? But not kidding about this tires dressing. So our winner for today is Socks the Cat. Let's get everyone a badge. It's right here. It's right here in the lunchroom. Yo, let's give everyone a badge. So our winner for today is Socks. That's our winner for today. Socks the Cat is our winner for today. And if you replace one, and next time, let's see who's the winner. But this time, it was a cat that I just seen for 20 years ago, back in the 2020. That's the one that win. So our winner is Socks. That's our winner for today, folks. for today's row, we're just giving Socks a bag for the replay. So thanks for watching.